What if I told you that some Ghanaian stocks right now are quietly sitting undervalued? Yes, like buying a GHS1 mango for 70 pesewas. Let's talk about the stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange that every beginner investor should watch this week. If you're new to investing, here's one thing you must understand. Undervalued simply means a stock is trading below its real value. Imagine seeing a brand new iPhone for half the price. That's what investors call value opportunity. Now, based on the latest market data, 3 Ghanaian stocks are flashing green as undervalued. You may want to keep your eyes on them this week. CAL has been one of the biggest movers. It gained 7.5% in just the last 7 days, and a massive 140% jump in 1 year. Yet analysts still think it's 23% below its true worth. For a beginner, that simply means you're getting a bank stock at a discount, and it has already proven it can grow. Scancom MTN Ghana continues to dominate trading volumes every single week, because high volume means investors trust the stock, and being undervalued means you're buying it cheaper than usual. Think of MTN as buying a very popular phone everyone wants, but at last year's price. GCB is slightly undervalued, but look at this: 203% return in a year. Strong fundamentals. Stable across the last 7 days. If a stock has grown consistently, and it's still undervalued, it may still have room to rise. When a stock is undervalued, it doesn't mean buy immediately. It means the market may be pricing it lower than it deserves. There might be an opportunity for future growth. It's worth watching closely and researching more. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm helping you understand the market so you can make smarter decisions. Do me a favor, share, follow, and subscribe for more tips on the stock market from the nerds.